don't take it. Take it, just don't leave and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
All right, Royals, summer has come and gone. And although I loved my fun and whimsical ice cream theme for the summer, it is time for change. So to watch me transition from this to this, then sit back, relax, and just keep on watching. Guys, it was all hands on deck trying to beat the weather to get my front porch styled. I am spray painting my doormat, my urns. Hubby is working on a little DIY project, and I wanted to share with you a little bit of the clips of behind the scene. Here, you guys, I found these beautiful lanterns. They are nearly 30 inches tall, Facebook Marketplace, for $10 each. I knew they weren't in the state that I wanted, but with a little bit of TLC and creativity, I could make them exactly what I wanted them to be. So now, let's beat the rain and get into it. So this is what the front porch is looking like. As you've seen, I have removed the planters because I'm giving them a nice makeover. I've removed the flag. The petunias are here, but we are going to just pop them in another planter and let them be preserved for next year, because my mom said they'll come back, and I absolutely love them. So they did so well. So we're gonna put them away for the springtime. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do this in phases, guys, because this weather is not letting me be great. But here is the before. I usually give you guys the whole rundown and let you see me do the entire styling, but I don't know if the weather's gonna permit. So if it does, you'll see the next clip of me styling. If not, you'll see the next clip of it completed. So see you in the next clip. Well, as fate would have it, we got a burst of sunshine and your girl got busy. We completed the painting right in the nick of time. Here I am laying on the refreshed doormat, adding this cute little fall flag. And now the planters or the urns, you guys, have gotten a nice makeover. I love the refreshed look of the black. I think is very striking, and it'll stand out in the look of this design as many others. And I'm layering on, you guys, the textures of fall. Here I styled up some swags for these lanterns. We just simply popped the glass and candles out because I wanted that open metal look, because they are going to be used predominantly outside, and I think they turned out perfectly. So here is the twin. I love this look, you guys. I can add pumpkins if I want. I can add rabbits for the springtime. You name it, I have that flexibility. And now I am layering on the textures and dimensions to create this look. You guys know how I love to bring in just different elements to create a unique look and feel. And these garlands, you guys, were an off-season purchase from Hobby Lobby. I got them at 90% off, you guys. I paid a whopping $1.99 for these beautiful garlands. They are very ornate and detailed with acorns and berries and pumpkins. Just really, really pretty, full and lush garlands that I absolutely love. And as you can see, they create a nice opulent look for this fall design. I'm doing the same thing to the opposite side. What I do to one, I mirror and do to the other. I am inserting the base of the garland into the grapevine wreath, and off camera I went ahead and secured each lantern to the wreath with some zip ties, just so that if the wind comes, it won't take the whole thing down. But for the sake of the video, I did not share that, but I did do that off camera. And as you can see here, I'm just maneuvering and playing around with it. I love wired garland, wired floors, wired ribbon, anything wired. It gives you the flexibility to style and maneuver them as you see fit. So that's complete. Now we're going to add on some pumpkins, you guys. I was able to find 2 of my grapevine pumpkins. I have a set of 6, but I will work with what I have, and I think they're pretty in this space. For the star of the show, you guys, this is a total DIY. I found this metal piece in my stash and decided to give it a nice fresh refresh as what I did with the other pieces. And the black, I pulled just leftover florals and a swag and just created this look to tie in with the overall fall theme, and what I have is a royal regal look fit for the queen. Happy dance means it's done. And what I am left with, you guys, is a beautiful fall front door scape that makes me smile. All right, Royals, I present to you my Sultry Harvest front door scape.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill him, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Now, let me remind you, every item here, you guys, are items that I already had. Simply with a little bit of refreshing ingenuity and creativity, I was able to create a totally new look and feel using repurposed and refurbished items, proving that if I can do it, you can do it too. If you are new here and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. We are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity, and we would love to have you come along and be a part of the Royal House. To my brand new booze, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Royal family. To my tried and trues, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Now remember, if you have not already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Also, guys, let me remind you that I have an Amazon store that you can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day for your purchasing pleasures. I have it jam-packed with all of the beautiful home decor that you see in my home, as well as more design inspiration that you may find interesting. So feel free, take a look, and shop till you drop. Well, guys, until the next one, stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day.